recently, Mars has been in the news for a few reasons. One, we're getting close to it, and Tony's going to tell us about what that means for viewing it. Some folks have been taking images of it already, but something strange is on the surface. Right here, you can see it's getting brighter from there to there, and there it is. There's a dust storm, or a dust event, as it's being called. Right. And you can see here it's getting even larger. You can see it's brightening up and spreading out. And sure enough, Mars is enshrouded in dust right now. One side of it was enshrouded in dust. We could see almost hardly any features. The other side, this is Valles Marineris here, and you can see dust flowed down into it. Now, it didn't fill it up. I told our deputy director, Valles Marineris has been filled with dust. And he said, that's the largest canyon in the solar system. How did you fill it with dust? And he was imagining literally filled with dust. Like, anyway.
Dusty air.
Like a giant sandbox.
Like, exactly, like a giant sandbox rather than the air being dusty. But it's just the air is dusty down in there. But since that time, the dust storm has progressed even more. And Patrick, you wanted to tell us a little bit about what's
chime
happening.
in here. I think we'll take a look at this next visual here. That salmon kind of colored area is the extent of the spreading dust. Started up at that northern hemisphere and went right over the Opportunity rover and towards Curiosity from May 31st to June 11th. And we can go to the next slide. And if you were at the Opportunity rover site, you would see starting from in May, kind of clearer skies, and then gradually, progressively, as the dust accumulated, it got darker. And this part here, this is what it saw, the height of the dust storm. Really nothing, because it's almost as dark as right after twilight. That's what it's like there.
Now, this is a problem for the poor Opportunity rover because it's solar powered. So it needs sunlight to stay warm. First of all, Mars is very cold. It's been put into safe mode. I'm kind of hoping it's hunkering down like a burner out on the playa in Burning Man. Just get on some glow sticks so you don't get run over, and your dust mask and goggles. You'll be just fine, Opportunity. But honestly, this could be the end of this intrepid little rover that's been up there for more than a decade. So
Has it been heard from?
No, because it's in safe mode.
Okay.
The sunlight has to come back. It has to turn on the solar cells. If it gets enough battery charge, it's programmed to turn everything back on and then communicate with Earth and say, hey, Earth, hi. But, well, communicate with the satellites.
Its clocks won't work anymore, so it doesn't know what time it is. So it'll just sort of every 4 hours, assuming it wakes up, start.
Yeah. Communicate with the orbiters and orbit around Mars, and then they'll relay back to Earth of, hey, Opportunity's back. So I'm hopeful. It's an awesome little rover, but it might be the end.
One before.
Yeah.
Not of this, not like this, though.
Yeah, the one in 2007 was only half. On that chart I saw, that was about the extent, kind of midway. The sun was still visible, so there was some light still filtering down.
Yeah, exactly. So,
What time of day was that taken, and over what time span was it, did it shift?
the images we showed were getting dimmer. I think those were simulated.
They were
So
simulated,
those,
yeah.
Yeah, those weren't real ones. You can see actual images like this. Those are simulated images based upon the dust measurements.
Do you know how many seconds delayed it takes from the rover to communicate with us?
Oh gosh, well,
varies, of course.
it varies depending on how far away Mars is, of course. Right now, it's getting less and less till the 30th.
So every 8 years, 8
We're looking at
months,
12
so-
minutes or so,
Yeah,
12,
12
15 minutes probably right now.
But
Give or take.
it varies through the orbit.
Anyway, we like to follow the sarcastic rover as well, and wanted to know why there's no crying robot emoji. It feels about losing its friend on Mars, so poor Oppie might be gone.